If you like to communicate with other people and help them to learn, you could be a teacher. If you like to talk with foreign people like Americans or British, you should learn English. And if you really want to learn English, the best place to learn is La Salle University. In this place, you don't just learn to communicate in English. You learn French and could improve your Spanish too. Actually, you learn how to teach these languages. People need to learn English because it is necessary in the globalized world. Entrepreneurs people need to learn English for business and communicate with consumers. The English is one of the most important languages. Nowadays, a lot of enterprise require that aspirants for work how to talk in English. So there is a lot of job for teachers because people need to learn English and they need somebody who teach them, and you can be that teacher.
If you study English, your life will be funnier. You'll open your mind to other cultures. You will be able to communicate in different situations and in different countries. If you study English, you will develop different areas of your brain, linguistical and emotional intelligence too. People who talk two or more languages have low risk of get Alzheimer. If you study languages, you will exercise your cerebral cells and you will get better memory. When you're getting better at the English learning, you'll be more self-confident. If you travel knowing English, you can meet people, interact with them, and knowing other cultures. And there you can teach Spanish like a foreign language because Spanish is very important too. If you teach English, you have the opportunity to open a new path of knowledge and you will make the difference. You will have the satisfaction to form faultless human beings. You will create new methods and motivate the students and they will want to learn more. Always remember that you can learn to interpret what your students are thinking. You can teach to adults, teenagers, and children using different methods. You can impart an effective teaching to English students.
And at La Salle, you can learn both languages for teach them. If you study at La Salle University, you will be educated for thinking, design, and serving. You will know a lot of people here which have the same likes about languages that you. And when you make friends here, you can practice the English and the French with them. You can practice talking with foreign people if you go to the conversation club. If you have a problem with a subject, you can say that there is not help. At La Salle there are tutors, and they always will help you. For example, if you have a problem with COD at French, and your friends have the same problems too, you can search a French tutor and you ask him to help you to understand the subject, using different methods for help you. If you had studied at La Salle University, you had the opportunity of know a new word in these languages. You had succeeded grow in your personal and professional life. You had learned new and wonderful things. And finally, you have the opportunity of have a very good job.